Hi guys, Piotr here. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Today it's going to be short, sweet about the profit taking order. So without a further delay, let's jump straight and start the video. Okay, the profit taking order is a type of the order. It might be set together with the market execution or the pending order. And well, you are going to decide how to fix the profits once the certain price, certain levels are going to be reached on the asset you are long or short, right? If you are going to apply take profit orders, they are executed automatically. So what's the definition? The take profit, otherwise known as a TP order, all right, is a pending order that informs your broker to close a trade once the asset you hold are going to reach the preset price by you, all right? So if, for example, if you are long, just 1 second, yeah, if you are, for example, long here and you set your target here preset with the market execution or maybe waiting order, then the broker is going to execute you exactly at that price. All right. If you were short here and you set with your market order or pending order the CP order, target price order, the broker will know that it has to execute your order. Now, very urgent, very, very urgent. Okay. Long TP via bid, but short via ask. Don't forget about this. Because if your chart is set up to show the bid price, right, and you had the target here of your short from here, let's say, right, we might not see the ask price at your level. So that's the urgent. That's what you have to remember about. All right. So how to set up the take profit order? Well, it's quite easy actually. If you want to make the new trade, new order, it's always gonna be when it comes to the MT4 on your right side where you can input the price you want. Let's say you want to go short and you want to input 130. So that's the very, very easy way to input that, and it might be the market execution, it might be the pending order, as I mentioned before. Why you want to place take profit order? Well, if you are a midterm trader, right, the price fluctuations might completely go against you. Let's say you were here, but you have long, but you have with the stop below the swing low, but you have not placed the limit order. So overnight, let's say, price reached your target, but there was no limit order to be executed. Market went down, hitting your stop loss. So instead of making money, you were losing money. If you are a day trader, and you, for example, have the fixed strategy with 3R, so instead of focusing when the market is going to hit your level, right, you are simply placing that order. And that's one problem less for you. Okay, what could be the strategy to place the orders? Well, based on the technical analysis, based on the price action, based on the candlestick price action, plenty of them. You may want to use the pivots. You may want to use the fibs as a strategy, how to place your order. You may want to use technical analysis. You may want to use price action and the candlesticks patterns. All right. Again, it's all about your strategy. It's all about what kind of the trader you are. So, as usual, do your own homework, do your own research. But I do think placing a take profit order, it might be very, very useful. With that being said, wish you great next take profit session. Take care, goodbye, see you around.